Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. This week we are doing a couple steps with the sidewalk and a section of a driveway. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then, guys. Hey guys, everything's good to go. We encountered so many roots here. We had to grind the edges down, the center down. There's a few inches of road base in there, but there's so many roots here. It's more root than dirt, but that's good to go. We got the landing, which is code. We actually did a little bit bigger, 37 inches by like 50 plus a step in the walkway, so we're good to go. We cut this little bit extra off to line it up and stuff, but stick around for the pour tomorrow. See you then, guys. Bye bye.
va a pescar de basura acá del piso.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured at 8 in the morning, 4 slump. Everything came out really nice. Driveway section came out really nice. We normally tie into the existing driveway or concrete, but we don't know just how much this tree has done to this, so we want to make sure that slab stays good for a long time. But there it is, guys. Everything came out well. Customers are happy. Next week we are doing a small project, cutting out some concrete that doesn't even need any framing, and then we are doing a driveway after that. In the same week, we're trying to knock out a lot of projects before it starts getting cold, and then after that we're pretty good. Everything's good to go. See y'all's next week. Thanks for clicking on our video. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.